back to my channel. I'm bringing you another waxing video. You guys know how much I love waxing at home. Now this is a special home waxing kit from Tress Wellness, and it comes with everything you need to do a home wax. So now if you're tired of shaving or finding it too expensive to do laser treatment, this is the perfect way to remove hair. Now it comes with different flavors of hard wax beans and sprays to help you prep your skin for pre and post wax. Now you have a pot that helps you melt all the beans. Now this is my first time too doing hard waxing, so it will be exciting to show you my journey. Now you guys can see all the stuff that was inside this box. You have literally everything you need for a home wax. All the beads, there was spray, a safe collar ring for your pot, and some lollipop sticks to help you apply the wax. Now the box comes with a manual that contains everything you need. So if you are afraid like me at the start to do hard wax, honestly it's such a simple process and it is painless. Now it will tell you how to prep your skin, and if something goes wrong there is like a Q&A to help you, and it also tells you what temperature is ideal for you, and all the technical support that you'll need is required in that book. For this video, I'm going to be using the lemon beans. I love the smell of lemon. There is a tiny smell of fragrance in it, and you require no strips for this. For the hard wax to work, your hair must be at least minimum of 6 millimeters long to have an effective wax. I think my hair on my legs is probably around 6 millimeters long. As you guys can see, I have fully grown it out, and but I doubt my arm hair is going to be 6 millimeters, but it's definitely long and it needs a wax. So let's see. Now before you wax, your skin must be clean and dry. So what I'm going to do now, before I clean and prep my skin, I'm going to pour in the wax into the wax warmer and allow the beads to melt until it has a consistency of honey. So what you need to do is, for your beads to melt quite fast, put on the lid and turn on the pot to its maximum temperature, which is around 125, I believe. You'll see in a minute. And then you'll see the red light is turning on. That means it's warming up the beads, and then it will turn green and you can maintain the your desired temperature. Now I would say, because I have a sensitive skin, I'm going to keep the temperature at 60, somewhere between 60 to 70. So I took a damp cloth and wiped my arm, and now I'm going with the pre-wax spray. Now this spray will help your skin to be in the perfect condition for your waxing. So wait until it dries out fully. Now it has a fragrance of like a coconut smell, and it's a very light coconut smell, and it really helps you to prep your skin and get rid of any dryness in your skin as well. So while my spray is drying, I am going to place the protective coloring onto the ring of the wax warmer, and then use a spatula to help the beads melt a bit faster. So the best way to melt your beads quite fast is to put on the lid, but I got a bit impatient and I wanted to check, so here I'm taking a little spatula, but you guys can see it's slowly melting. It roughly takes about 5 to 8 minutes for your beads to melt, depending on how much quantity of beans you're putting into the warmer. Now remember, always do a patch test 24 hours before doing the waxing, just in case you have some sort of allergic reactions. We don't know, so it's better to be safe, so do a patch test. Now remember, if the wax is too hot when you apply, it will burn your hair and your skin, and sometimes it might leave with a red rash. Okay, so always test on a small area first. Now you guys can see my beans have fully melted. We are looking for a consistency like this, very honey like runny consistency. Now once you are ready, apply the wax with pressure in the direction of your hair growth. Use firm pressure to make sure that each hair wraps in the wax. So it works well when you are doing very small manageable sections, and allow 30 to 45 seconds for it to dry. And once it's dry and it's not sticky anymore, you can stretch the skin and lift the edge of the wax and peel off the wax quickly in the opposite direction of your hair growth. Now this is the result of my first wax. Now remember, I'm a beginner to this, and it literally took one hair strand off. So I thought maybe I was doing it wrong, so gave it a second chance. And this time around, I made sure the thickness was about 2 millimeters, and I was really pressing down the wax. And you guys can see it took some hair off. Now I came to conclusion that my hair wasn't long enough, so I decided to try it on my husband's hand to see if it works. Now his hair is clearly longer than 6 millimeters, so I thought this will work great. And I really wanted to test out the wax if it really works. Now you guys will see the wax comfortably grabs onto the hair, and it removes the hair off from his arm. So one of the downside probably will be it doesn't really work on prickly stubble kind of hair, because it's not long enough for the wax to hold on to it. You saw in the beginning of the video that my leg hair is much thicker, denser and longer than my arm hair, so it should work on my legs. So I did the same thing. I sprayed the pre-wax spray off camera. Now I'm just allowing it to dry out. Then I'm going to apply the wax with pressure in the direction of my hair growth. Then I'm going to do the same thing, allow it to cool down for 30 to 45 seconds. Then when it's not sticky, I am going to take the wax off. So I'm going to speed up the process because I don't want this video to be very long. Hopefully this time it should work. Surprisingly, it wasn't painful. I was expecting it to be painful, but it really wasn't painful, guys. So let's see the results. Now it definitely worked this time around. It works really well with obviously a longer hair and thick and dense hair. This means it works perfectly for your bikini area, underarms, upper lip, chin and cheeks, and also eyebrows too. Now before you apply this to your face, like I said before, do a patch test to see if you are allergic to any of these products. So I'm now going to speed up the process. I don't want you guys to watch me wax my whole leg, so I decided to do this leg, and as you can see, it took one bean bag to do one leg. This is probably why they provide you with 5 to 6 bean bags in your kit, but you definitely will need more beans. It's so satisfying to see the results. So this is the hair that I removed from one of my legs. So you can see that it works really well. So satisfying to go through these. Now you don't have to waste money booking salon appointments to do a full body wax when you can do it in the comfort of your own home. So remember, the longer the hair, the better results that you're going to get. Now I'm off to my last step, where I'm going to spray the after spray and massage that oil consistency spray onto my skin. Now this will help you to moisturize your skin, because immediately after waxing your skin will be very dry, and this will also help you to remove any residue that is remaining on your leg. Okay, and it will also help you with any irritation that might have occurred throughout the process of your waxing. So it was really a nice pleasing experience, and this is something that I'm definitely going to try again. And a big thank you to Tress Wellness for reaching out and sending me your product to trial it out. Now this is my first experience, and I hope you guys enjoyed my honest review on this product. This is a great product, DIY home wax, and it contains all the things that you require, so it's not a daunting first experience. You got everything ready to wax at home in your own comfort. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give a like, subscribe and comment below. Feel free to ask any questions and I'm happy to reply back to you. I hope you have a lovely day. Until next time, bye!